When I was informed about the recycling project, I thought it was really absurd. Like, how do you make garments out of plastic bottles? I took on the challenge and I was very impressed with what I came up with.
That's one thing I love about this school, the challenge. You are challenged to do something different, to think outside the box. So basically I had to sit down and think through what I was going to do, and I'm really proud of what I came up with at the end of the day.
I was inspired by the environment and how we could have a superhero character to check all the pollution and plastic waste that we had around. I'm not just learning at JACCD, I'm building my confidence.
I'm not just learning at JACCD, I'm also building my creativity, my confidence, and time management.
This is absolutely impressive.